Welcome to day one of the 90-day transformation lab. My name is Fady I, and if you're ready to transform your body, your mindset, and your daily habits,
then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're covering full chest plus triceps workout, perfect form for every exercise, warm-up routine, pre-workout, meal and drink, post-workout meal, full day, muscle building diet, daily protein and carbs, intake, water intake, goals, night meal for muscle recovery, sleep schedule for maximum muscle growth. So grab your bottle, lock in your focus, and let's build this body together. If I can do it, you can do it too. Let's begin. Section 1, pre-workout meal, 45 to 60 minutes before training. Before any workout, you need clean fuel. Here's your pre-workout meal for day 1. Pre-workout meal 1, medium banana, 2 slices brown bread, plus 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 boiled egg, 10 almonds. Macros, carbs, 50 to 60 grams. Protein, 15 to 20 grams. Fats, 10 grams. This gives you clean energy, stable focus, and strong pumps. Section 2, pre-workout drink, 15 to 20 minutes before training. 250 milliliters water, 150 to 200 milligrams. Caffeine, pinch of Himalayan salt creatine, 3 to 5 grams. This gives you energy, pump, endurance, and strength for heavy lifting. Section 3, warm-up. All right, warm-up time, never skip this. Warm-up is where your mind and body connect. It wakes up your joints, your muscles, and tells your brain, we're about to go to work. Follow along with me. Arm circles, 30 seconds.
Someone else's voice. Every road felt the same. Every wind felt fake. Then I stopped, took a breath, heard my heart beat instead. I remembered who I was before fear took the pen.
Chest stretch, 30 seconds.
I learned how to rise again. We rise again from the ashes, from the pain. Every step forward breaks another chain. We rise again, no matter how hard we've been. This life keeps
Push-ups, 10 reps.
we rise again. We rise again. We rise again.
Light dumbbell press, 15 reps.
This life keeps testing us, but we rise again. No map, no guarantees, just belief under my feet. I don't need perfect days, I just need faith. We rise again, stronger than we've ever been.
Band tricep warm-up, 30 seconds.
Turn the struggle into wings. We rise again, stronger than we've ever been. Turn the scars into light. Turn the struggle into wings.
Shoulder rotation, 20 seconds. Don't rush this, feel every movement.
This life keeps testing us, but we rise again.
Warm-up is not just physical, it's mental. Get your head in the game. Now it's time to train. Remember, every rep brings you closer to the body you want. Every drop of sweat is proof that you're pushing forward when others quit. I'm here with you. In this. Push like we're training together. Muscles are activated. Let's crush day 1. Section 4, chest workout. All right, let's start strong. Bench press. The king of all chest exercises. Before you even touch the bar, set your body right. This is where strength begins. Feet flat on the floor, sight, no dancing feet. Lock them in place, chest up. Imagine someone pulling your sternum upward, shoulder blades tight. Think, put them in your back pocket. Lower the bar to mid-chest, not too high, not too low. Control the rep. Don't let the bar control you. Push through that burn.
Started from nothing, back against the wall. Every closed door made me stand tall. They said, slow down, they said, behave. I learned real fast, nobody's coming to save. Lost some battles, lost some sleep. Yeah, promises buried way too deep. But pressure made diamonds in my chest. Every scar passed the test.
That's your chest waking up. Every rep is building the body you want. Don't stop. I'm right here with you. Hey, come on, give me more. Now we hit the upper chest. This is where that aesthetic upper body shelf comes from. Set your bench to 30 to 45 degrees, not too high.
Started from nothing, back against the wall. Every closed door made me stand tall. They said, slow down, they said, behave. I learned real fast, nobody's coming to save. Lost some battles, lost some sleep. Yeah, promises buried way too deep. But pressure made diamonds in my chest. Every scar passed the test.
Open the chest wide as you lower the dumbbells. Explode up, but with control. Yeah, don't swing. Don't cheat. Let's go.
Every scar passed the test. When the lights went low, I heard my own voice.
Keep moving. Your future physique is being built right now. This is where average people quit. But you're not average. Keep pressing. Think of this one like giving the biggest hug of your life. Squeeze the chest. Keep a slight bend in your arms. Don't fully lock out. Squeeze at the center like you're crushing a balloon. Slowly open up. Feel that psych?
Yeah. They counted me out, but I'm still here. Started from nothing, back against the wall. Every closed door made me stand tall. They said, slow down, they said, behave. I learned real fast, nobody's coming to save. Lost some battles, lost some sleep. Yeah, promises buried way too deep. But pressure made diamonds in my chest. Every scar passed the test. When the lights went low, I heard my own voice say, go.
Feel that stretch. Feel that burn. That's progress. Your chest fibers are activating with every rep. Don't shy away. Embrace the fire. They have 5 cable crossovers, high to low. Now we carve the lower chest, bring out that definition. Start high. Pull downward in a smooth arc. Squeeze at the bottom. Pause. Control every inch. These reps are sculpting your chest. Make every single one count. Take a breath. Good. This rest right here isn't weakness, it's strategy. Use this moment to reset your mind. Feel your heartbeat slowing. Feel strength coming back into your arms. In 20 seconds, we go again, T1 Serine, and I need you to attack the next set like it owes you something. You're doing amazing. Stay with me. Section 5, triceps workout. Let's build that tricep thickness. This is what makes your arms look big. Lock your elbows in place, they don't move. Push all the way down. Full extension. Slow controlled return.
I'm still standing in the air. Yeah. No applause when I paid my dues. No shortcuts. No easy route. I learned pain speaks louder than fame. And silence builds a stronger name. I'm still standing, still rising. Every loss was perfect timing. I didn't quit when the storm began. I'm still standing, understand.
Come on, full extension every time. This is where bigger arms are made. Don't slow down. This one targets the long head. The muscle that makes the arm look full, lower the dumbbell behind your head. Deep stretch. Squeeze hard at the top, feel the contraction.
I'm still standing in the air. Yeah. Still here. Still me.
Feel that deep burn? That's growth. Keep pushing through it. You've got more in you. Chest plus triceps together. Perfect combo. Lean slightly forwards, lower yourself slow. Push up with control.
Started from nothing, back against the wall. Every closed door made me stand tall. They said, slow down. They said, behave. I learned real fast. Nobody's coming to save. Lost some battles, lost some sleep. Yeah, promises buried way too deep.
You're stronger than you think. Don't stop here. Finish every rep with power. Empty the tank. This is your final push. Your transformation starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Section 6, post-workout meal. All right, team. Now that the workout is done, this is the most important part of your training. Listen carefully. Right after your workout, your muscles are like a sponge. They are empty, tired, and ready to absorb nutrients. If you don't feed them now, you slow down recovery, you delay muscle growth, and you feel more sore the next day. So here's exactly what you should eat within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. Post-workout meal, whey protein shake. 1 scoop, this gives your body fast digesting protein. It hits your bloodstream quickly and starts repairing muscle fibers immediately. 1 banana instant carbs. It refills your energy stores and helps your body use the protein better. 3 dates. These give a clean glucose spike. Perfect for kicking your recovery into gear. Chicken breast 150 grams plus 1 cup rice. This is your solid meal, lean protein plus clean carbs. It fills the muscle fibers, restores glycogen, and keeps you full for hours. If you follow this meal exactly, trust me, your recovery and strength will go to the next level. Section 7, full day muscle building meal plan. Now, let me show you what a full day of eating should look like if you want clean muscle, no fat, no bloating, no guessing. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. This is your muscle building meal plan. Breakfast, 4 eggs, 2 whole, 2 whites. Perfect balance of protein plus healthy fats. oats half cup or 2 slices brown bread, slow digesting carbs to keep you energized. 1 banana, quick carbs, plus potassium for better pumps. Lunch, chicken breast, 200 grams. Lean, clean protein, the best for muscle building. Rice, 1 cup or 2 chapatis. Choose one depending on your appetite, both work great. Snack bread, plus 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter, healthy fats plus carbs to keep you satisfied. 1 apple fiber, vitamins, and clean carbs. Dinner, chicken or beef, 150 grams. High quality protein before the night. Vegetables, 1 cup digestion, nutrients, and recovery. Don't skip your veggies. Daily macros. Target. Protein, 120 to 150 grams. This is your muscle repair limit. Hit this daily. Carbs, 220 to 300 grams. Your fuel. Keeps your workout strong. Fats, 60 to 70 grams. Hormones, recovery, strength, healthy fats matter. If you follow this daily, your body will have to grow. No choice. Section 8. Water goals. Hydration. Honestly, this is where 90% of beginners fail. If you're dehydrated, your pumps drop, your strength drops, your recovery slows, and your fatigue goes up. So here's the rule. 3 to 4 liters of water every day, plus 500 milliliters extra on workout days. Keep a bottle with you all the time. Hydration equals strength plus recovery. The more water you drink, the faster your muscles grow. Section 9. Protein goal. All right, listen, this is important. Protein is not a choice, or it's a requirement for muscle building. Target 1.6 to 2.2 grams. Protein per kilogram body weight. For example, if you're 70 kilograms, 112 grams to 154 grams. Protein daily, doesn't matter how you hit it. Eggs, chicken, whey, beef, lentils. Just hit the number. Section 10. Carb goal. Carbs are your fuel. People who fear carbs never grow. Simple. If you want power in the gym, if you want full muscles, if you want good pumps, this is the formula. 3 to 5 grams of carbs per kilogram body weight. Don't be scared of carbs. Just eat clean sources like rice, potatoes, oats, and fruit. Section 11. Sleep for muscle growth. Here's something many people don't know. Your muscles don't grow when you train, they grow when you sleep. Your body repairs, recovers, and builds muscle while you're in deep sleep. Sleep requirements: 7 to 9 hours. Best timing, 10:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. Deep sleep, 1.5 to 2 hours. If your sleep is trash, your gains will also be trash. Fix your sleep, fix your body. Section 12. Night recovery. Meal. Your last meal of the day is super important because you're going 8 to 9 hours without food. Night recovery meal. Greek yogurt, 1 cup slow digesting protein. Perfect for overnight recovery. Almonds, 10 to 12 pieces. Healthy fats to keep your body fueled while you sleep. Warm milk, 200 milliliters. Calms the body, helps you relax, and gives extra slow protein. This prevents muscle breakdown overnight. Never skip this meal if you're serious about building size. If you followed the full routine with me today, you're already ahead of the old version of yourself. This is your journey, your transformation, your story, and I'm here with you every single rep for the next 90 days. Like this video, drop a comment, and let's keep growing.
Welcome to the 90-Day Transformation Lab, where excuses end and results begin.